In this video, I will show you step by step how you can join a friends game in Among Us. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I am on the main home screen of Among Us right here. Now, if we want to play with a friend, what we need to do is we need to head over, click on play, select online, and then if we go to find a game, for example, what you'll see once I enter into this game right here, there will be a code in the top right hand corner. So it says room code and then it's WHESHG. Now you need to get your friend to send you this specific code. And if you want to send them this invite, you just simply want to copy this and send them the code. Now, once you get the code, what we need to do is if we head on back, you want to go to play, click on online, and then you want to select enter code. And then you want to paste the code into this box. So once I click on paste, as you can see, it has now found my game. It will give you all the different details right here. And then you can select join game. And then as you'll notice, that will then allow me to join my friends on Among Us. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like and I will see you in the next one.